Quick update on ASST. It's October 27th, 2025. I'm in shares just under 1.3 and just a handful of November calls of 1.5, just in case it goes quite a bit higher. For the most part, this stock is just chugging right along. There were some spikes here and there, but it's holding up nicely on the trend line. The trend line is created if you go from when this move upward started to each of the touch points along the way. It's easier if you go to like the hourly, you can see the touch points. The important part is every time it touches this, it goes back up. We pull away from the trend line in a healthy manner. We go back and retest. And VWAP is right here. It seems like as long as we're above VWAP, above this trend line, I'm going to stay in. I do have a couple stops, one at 1.35 and another one at 1.16, and I'll hold some until just under 1. If it turns back into a penny stock, I don't necessarily want to hold it there anymore. It would be a bummer if it goes that way. We got some nice momentum, and I do believe there's a nice support line around 1.3. So if I lower the time frame to say 5 minutes here, and we go back to early pre-market, and yesterday you could see clear support at 1.3. We did have the weekend traffic here, and I believe there is a halt in here somewhere, and that's why we got a lot of traffic downward. But whenever we touched 1.3, which is right around this area, we see some nice volume spikes, nice relative volume. That brings us right out of it. So yeah, here, let's see. Here, decent relative volume. That one didn't spike up quite as much. But importantly, we're staying above 1.3 all through pre-market and throughout the day. A couple quick spikes downward that were nearly immediately gobbled up. So what's the play? What's the plan? Let's check out the chart again. If it goes down, I got stops in place. I'll take out half here, another half here, and then the rest just below 1. And I'll take the loss. Boo-hoo. If it goes up, though, levels are 1.92, well, around 2, basically. I just have this alert here so I can catch the move as it approaches 2. Then I have another level at 2.5. I have another level at 2.75, and then another level at 3. With the way this is moving, we won't even, supposing this trend line holds, we won't be getting there for quite some time. Let's extend this out. I guess quite some time, meaning, let's see, Wednesday, Thursday. If we are going to hit that and it sticks to this trend line, we're looking at Wednesday or Thursday. If it does sort of peter off and go sideways for a bit or goes down, then obviously I'll take longer until we establish a new trend line. You know, who knows what's going to happen? All we have to do is put the lines on the chart and just keep holding the stock until it breaks down or breaks up. So that's my plan. Let's see what tomorrow brings.